Guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this hair. Alright, so it's an ombre. I'm mixing or transitioning from black into a darker blue and a lighter blue. So the colors I'm using is this darling hair in black, in darker blue, and this snow brown hair in lighter blue. Okay, so to prep my hair, I just go ahead and cut each of the braiding hair into three. So the quantity of the hair I bought is the same pack, the one pack of the black, one pack of the darker blue, and one pack of the light blue. So that's what I use. So the black and the darker blue is way more than the lighter blue, alright? So I just cut all of them into three each, alright? So this is what the hair looks like, all of them. I didn't mix it, I just go ahead and prep them separately. Alright, so to braid this hair, I just divided her hair into two because I'm trying to make cornrows in front, stylish cornrows in front. So to get this ombre look, just go ahead and start braiding your hair. So once you get to where you want to start adding your new color, you just hold down two parts of the braid. You know the strands of braiding you're using to braid is three. So hold down two parts and then add the braiding hair like what you see in the video into the two parts you're holding down. Alright, the one that is at the center, just leave it there. You add what you're holding into the two parts you're holding down. Alright, and then you braid. So because it's ombre, you don't want to transition straight up. You want to kind of play around it and kind of allow the black to still show. But once you reach the point where you just want the new color to show, you do exactly as I'm doing in the video. You twist the hair a little and then you spread out the new color to cover the old color. Alright, so I'm going to redo this again so you guys can see. You add the hair, you start braiding a little. Now you spread out the new color. What I'm just doing right now is twisting it so the blue will also show as long as, and the black will also show at the same time. So if you want to now fade out the black entirely, you spread out the blue to cover the black. It's like making a sandwich sort of. You spread out the blue to cover the black braiding hair entirely, and this will start giving you the transition that you want. All right, so just go ahead and watch the video. You will understand what I'm trying to say. done braiding the hair, I'll just go ahead and divide the front part that I separated into two. So I already braided the other side. I recorded it. I actually thought I recorded it, but when I saw the clip, well, nothing was showing. It was just videoing space. Alright, so I didn't add that one. So just go ahead and pass the hair. I'm going to be doing feeding cornrows, feeding braids. Alright, so the triangular part that I want to do, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. You just divide the hair that you want to braid, and then you divide it into four parts. I'm trying to explain the other side. You guys will see it in a bit. You divide the hair into four parts, right? And then you put two parts right facing each other. You put those two parts into triangular braids, like you would normally do a triangular parting braid, right? You put those two parts into it, those two parts facing each other into triangular braids, and then you now take one part and add, you divided four parts of the hair, right? So you take one part and then you add one part of the triangular braids one side and add to the other side, and then you take the other one and add. So I'm going to show you just like doing a one part of this thing I'm trying to explain. So I'm going to show you guys so you see and understand. So what you see now, you just have to replicate it, do it twice, right? So this is the triangular part I'm talking about, that triangular part with there. So what you see when I'm doing the triangular part, you just replicate it, all right? And then you have exactly what you saw there. Okay, so this is now the part. So because I want to just do one of it, not the triangular part facing each other, it's just one. So that's why I'm dividing the hair into two. But if you want to do like the other one, it's four, you divide it into, alright? So I divide the hair into two. One part of the hair that I divided into two, I use it to create the triangular parting braids, alright? You don't add braiding hair to this one, you just braid the person's natural hair like that in triangular parts, right? So once you're done braiding that in triangular parts, you now add this hair into your cornrows. So I'm going to show you guys that in a bit. So while we've been putting the hair into cornrows, okay, so I'm just trying to loosen up this one because it was too long, the braids were too long. So just pick that hair and now add it into your cornrows while you're braiding, alright? Just go ahead and do that in all the triangular part hair you did, alright? So if you are now doing for the other side, you just repeat the exact thing on the other side, and then you will have that perfect star looking triangular part. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, okay? So once you're done braiding the entire hair, just go ahead and dip that in hot water, and then your hair is ready. So when you're done dipping your the entire hair into hot water, I suggest dipping the hair as far as you can go to kind of smoothen the hair and make it relax a little more. All right. So once you're done with that, just go ahead and get a hot towel and dip it in that hot water and dap it on the person's head. This makes the hair better. It makes the hair sleek and you know reduces the tension. All right. So just go ahead and decorate or design the hair anyhow you want to. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.